Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your personal computer without using an emulator. This method primarily involves screen mirroring, which projects your phone's display onto your PC. It's a clever way to enjoy a larger view of the game while still using your mobile device for all the heavy lifting. You'll be leveraging your phone's power, not your computer's, for the actual gameplay. It's a one-to-one visual experience. To get started, you'll need a good screen mirroring application installed on both your mobile phone and your personal computer. It's vital that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the mirroring to work seamlessly. A strong, stable internet connection is also key to avoiding frustrating lag. For an even better experience, some apps provide the option for a wired connection, which can significantly reduce any input delay. When it comes to controlling the game, your mobile phone's touchscreen will be your main input device. However, some more sophisticated screen mirroring applications offer the ability to map keyboard and mouse inputs. This can give you a feel closer to traditional personal computer gaming, offering potentially more precise aiming and movement. Remember to spend some time practicing with your chosen control setup to truly master your gameplay. This screen mirroring approach offers a significant advantage. It helps you avoid the potential bans that can sometimes occur when the game detects an emulator. However, your game's performance will be entirely dependent on your mobile phone's power and your network speed. Input lag, particularly with wireless connections, can be a notable drawback. Despite this, it's a fantastic and convenient way to enjoy PUBG Mobile on a larger screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.